family, friends, and future subscribers. This is Bo, and today I want to show you what I got.
Wo ihr schon mal hier seid, könnt ihr jetzt noch bleiben. Woanders ist hier auch nichts los, also könnt ihr auch hier leiden.
It was $12.99 radio alarm clock, Aldi. $12.99 seemed to be fair. Today I want to show you, or I want to unpack this with you and see if it's worth $12.99, if it's even working, if it's good or not. The brand is, I would say Bauhn, but it's Bauhn. I don't know how you say that. Bauhn, whatever. Let's not talk so much. Oops, I don't want to destroy anything. I don't want to break it. Oh my god, what's that? Okay, so here's the manual. Here is a cable, of course. And what's that? You have to unscrew this to get it off the package. Oh my god, you have no idea how much I hate that. Why do I have to unscrew this? For what is that? And I don't need a screwdriver! That's the best part. Okay. Thinking first, yelling later. I still don't know why, but whatever. Now this thing is still attached? Is that important? No. Huh? Is it to hold this thing in the package? Well, at least you don't need a screwdriver, which is a big plus. Oh. Well, okay, let's see. Put this aside. We have it. USB out, whatever. That's how it looks from the back. How it looks like from the back. I guess, what is this for here? Open. It says open. Why does it not open? Huh? It clearly says open. And to me, this is for like battery. Is this battery operated? No idea. Okay, that's how it looks like on the top. What do we have? Volume tuning, memory function, time set, snooze, dimmer, sleep, nap. And snooze, dimmer, sleep, nap is one thing. Whatever. That's pretty light. It's like a dummy. Is it called dummy? So I think we peel off this thing. Ah, the time. Okay, that's not funny. Let's see. I do not want to make another like 20-30 minute video. I just want to show it to you. Cable. In here. In here. Ah, bling bling. Radio alarm clock. Read, follow, and retain these instructions. Not many people do that. Just saying. So, time and date set. For initial setup, the lights will blink 12 o'clock. Works. Press the function button one time and release. Press the function button one time. Wait. Function button one time and release. Ah. Oh my god. Now press the function button for 2 seconds and release. You are now in off mode and ready to set the time and date. What is it? 2 seconds. 1, 2. Off mode. Okay. Press the time set memory button for 2 seconds. Please note, if you do not hit any buttons, it will time out and you will have to start over. Okay. Press the time set memory button for 2 seconds. Time set memory button. 2 seconds. 12 or 24 hour setting. Press tuning. What? Press tuning button to what? Toggle between 12 hours or 24 hours. Press the time set memory button to confirm desired selection. The default is 12 hours. 12 or 24 hour time setting. Huh? I don't get it. Press tuning button to toggle between 12 or 24 hours. For what? Why do I not get it? What? Huh? 12 or 24 hours? Let's just... The day has 24 hours. I have no idea what they mean. Press tuning. Huh? Again. To change hours. What? Press tuning button to change minute. Press the time set memory button to confirm time setting. Unit will reset if buttons are not pressed. Blah, blah, blah. Huh? Again. And then? No, now it's 12. Why do I... Huh? Why do they want me to press the tuning button again? It will just switch between 12 and 24 hours. Press tuning. Press tuning left button to change. Let me see. Nope, just... If I do what they say, it just does this. I don't get it. Okay, I tell you what, I'm just too stupid for that. I press all the buttons exactly the way they are telling me to do it, and it does not work. I'm freaking out, okay? Press the left tuning button. Nothing is working. So they told me, do this, and then just... The time is not changing, you know what I mean? Oh my god, I could throw this thing against a wall. I'm freaking out. This must be so simple and I don't get it. I could freak out. Boah. I get this face now. Left to change hours, but the hours are not changing. I'm freaking out. I hate that stuff. What the... Okay, I pressed all the buttons now and it's still, I cannot change the time. I'm freaking out. I'm so freaking out. I don't even want to finish this video because I'm so freaking out and you don't want me to freak out. God, this is so plain stupid. Point 5. Hour and minute setting. Press tuning left button to change hours. Tuning left button to change hours. And then I press the button. What then? I'm freaking out. And press tuning right button to change the minute. And then confirm, blah, I understand that. But what left and right? It's not changing. It's not changing. I press the buttons. What did I do? What did I miss? Freaking out. Well, maybe it's just supposed to be 1:11. Is that the time? It's not the time I want. Tuning left button. And then... Okay, get your shit together. To change the minutes. The minutes are not changing. The minutes are not changing. The minutes are not changing. They are not changing. I press the tuning left button. Here, left. What now? The minutes are not changing. Because it does not say press the button and then press another button. You know what I mean? It just said press the tuning left button. I'm doing this right now. So how do the minutes change now? And press the hours here, right button, to change the hour. Why is the radio on? Year setting. Let's just skip this crap. Year setting. Press tuning right to advance years and tuning left to go back years. Okay, tuning left. Tuning right. Press longer. Press longer. Press longer. I don't know what you want from me, but this is here, pressing another button now. If I don't get something, I press everything because I'm freaking out. And in the end, I will just return it or seriously throw it against the wall. I have anger issues. Anger management. I need anger management. This is the simplest. Oh, I could freak out. Why is there a sound? I could totally freak out. I need a break. So I pressed all the buttons I could find. And now I can change the minutes. I have no idea what I did. No idea, but I definitely did not do what was in the manual. I just did it my way. No, seriously, it did not work. Maybe because I pressed the wrong button before or whenever. What? Okay, in German this is called 18:24 Uhr. 18:25 Uhr. It doesn't work anymore. Look at this! Just because I was talking? What is that? Okay, I tried. Let's try again. I have no idea what's going on, but somehow it changes. I had to press the memory button and the time set button, and not only the tuning left and right button. And they did not say it here. Seriously. I mean, I'm not stupid, but this was... I'm still confused. So, let's do this. Memory button. What's that? 2018. Oh. I'm back. I'm really confused. Okay, I just bought like 2 weeks ago the ring light on Amazon, and like 10 minutes later it's off. You know what this is? A bad review. And you know what? I'm already freaking out because of this. And now, see, I get aggressive. This ring light is not working. It's the second time now that it's just turning off during a video for no reason. I mean, this is LED. Is this getting hot? No. So why I will handle this. Okay, so let's say we know how to set up the time. Year setting, we just did that. Month and day setting. Month and day. Press tuning for month and tuning for day. Press the time set memory button. Okay, we all know that this is not right. Press the memory button. Whatever. So let's just say we just have it. Let's pretend we are not stupid. Listen to FM radio. Press the function button to turn on FM radio button. Function. Yeah? I pressed the function button. Like longer or what? It just said press the function button to turn on FM radio. Press the tuning right to tune forward. Press the tuning left to tune backwards until desired station is tuned in. Function button. Nope. Function button. I'm pressing the function button. Pressing the function button. Is that like a joke or something? I'm pressing the function button. Is that a joke? Well, how about press the function button like 3 times? 1, 2, and then we can use the tuning button. I'm so mega stressed because of this setting instructions. Seriously, they are wrong. I'm pressing and pressing and changing, but there is no sound. I don't hear anything. Volume up.
The fact that God through Jesus
Tuning buttons.
Guten Abend, wir wollen nicht lange stören. Wir sind maybe dead und keiner will uns hören. Wo ihr schon mal hier seid, könnt ihr jetzt noch bleiben. Woanders ist hier auch nichts los, also könnt ihr auch hier leiden. We are maybe dead. Vergesst alles, was ihr je gehört habt. We are maybe dead. Wir beerdigen den guten Geschmack. We are maybe dead. Weil sowieso keiner nachfragt. We are maybe dead. Weil sowieso keiner nachfragt.
The fun is over. Okay, press the memory button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Over. What? In the FM mode, quickly press the time set memory button. Press the tuning right button to go up and tuning left button to go down to desired number 1 to 30 stations. Radio will play preset station. Well, I pressed another button, but that's the one. Going to the other side. That's not my. Well, is it working again? Yeah. It did not work. I don't know. It does not remember. Maybe I just have to have all 30 radio stations. I could just throw this thing against the wall again because it did not memorize. I'm too stupid. Using the alarm clock. You know what? I could just have a break. Smoke a cigarette. Seriously? I don't smoke, but now I could seriously smoke. Or have a drink. Now I want a drink. Make sure your current time and date is set before moving forward. Yeah, we just did that. Like 20 minutes ago. In what? In off. In off. What? Number 1 is in off. Huh? In off? Press function button for 2 seconds and release to get to off mode. Okay. Press AL1 or AL2 button for 2 seconds. Time will flash. Or AL2. So, not important which one, yeah? Can you even see me anymore without the... I can't... This light... For no reason. I will send it back. I promise. I'm so done with this shit. Sorry. I'm done. Why does not... I have it. I used it like 2 times. Seriously, 2 times. And it's turning off after I don't know how long. I need light in my face. I will just send it back. because it's not working. It's what? Nothing is working. It's not my day. Okay, AL. Am I still in this function? Off? Is it off? Off? Still off? I don't know. I'm pressing the function again. Maybe it's off now. AL1. Press AL1 for 2 seconds. Okay. So, press tuning left or right, whatever you want. Here will just wake me up at 7. Then memory. Memorize. Press LA. Wait, let me see. Okay, left. Wake me up at. And now it's not doing it anymore. Oh, 2 seconds, no? You said 2 seconds. Okay, it's blinking now. Okay, wake me up at this time. And then press again to set the time. Press LA1 or LA2 to confirm alarm time. I just did that. Press tuning left to set days. What? To set days alarm will turn on. Press LA1 or LA2 to confirm all settings. You know how I feel? Like I've been out of school for too long. 1 to 7 is Monday through Sunday. 1 to 5 Monday through Friday, and 6 to 7 is Saturday to Sunday. I have no idea what they mean. To turn alarm off or on. Buzzer or radio. I'm done. Do you know what I will do now? Because I really need time for that. I just read it for you. Another point is like here to turn alarm off or on, press AL1 or LA2 button depending what alarm you want to turn on or off. Alarm toggles between buzzer, boots, or radio, ray, and alarm off. No light. Light will illuminate next to your selection. Using the snooze button. When the alarm goes off, press the snooze button once. The alarm will go off and then come back in 9 minutes. That's too fast. The AL1 or AL2 button will keep flashing when in snooze mode. Press AL1 or AL2 to turn the alarm off. If nothing is pressed when alarm sounds, it will automatically shut off after 59 minutes. Nap alarm settings 10 to 90 minutes. While in the off mode, keep pressing the snooze, dimmer, sleep, nap button and select duration of nap. FM radio will turn on after selected minutes. And then there is like a whatever scale, whatever that is. Adjust display brightness. Press the snooze button for 2 seconds. User can choose between the high or low brightness levels. Battery backup, USB charging port, aux in, whatever. Technical specifications. Joking. Okay. Oh, in Spanish. You know what? I will understand that. I mean, it's you know what the problem is? It's simple, but for impatient people like me, somehow the description is strange. You know, like turn the tuning button, but it's not said that you have to press another button before that. So I did exactly what's said here, and it did not work. It did only work my way. I don't know. So I think it's I will have to work on this radio clock after this video, if I will ever upload this. And I will definitely stop testing technical things. I will not do that. Maybe I will just tell my husband to wake me up in the morning. I don't need that. Or I want a band in my room who just sings for me and not having a radio. To me, it was not easy. Although it might be pretty easy for everyone else. Like I said, I will not test anything like this It's obviously for batteries, but I cannot even open the battery thing here. You know, here it's in the back. Yeah. And it says open here. But whatever I do, did you do this? Aha! Open. For batteries. But like I just use a cable because batteries are not so good for trash and all that stuff. Well, for $12.99, I think this is a random thing. I've had that in the past, like, but I didn't have to set it up. My parents did that for me when I was young. And maybe I will just give it to my husband because I do not even want this thing anymore. But maybe if it's all set up, I will just love it. I'm not sure yet. So it's I was so excited to buy that, but now that I have to set it up myself, and it was like, I don't like it anymore. You know what I mean? Now I love it. Is it even allowed to play music in a YouTube video? But I'm testing a radio. How can I test a radio without playing the music in the video? I don't get it. I don't get anything right now, I have to say. I'm more and more feeling like Annemarie. I don't know. Maybe I am Annemarie. Annemarie is another video. You have to see my other videos. It's a brown hair friend of mine. Okay, maybe I'm just hungry or thirsty. So in the end, there's the user manual, there's the radio. It works if you are smart enough. Here's the cable. What else? That's it, no? Okay. I'm not sure if I will upload this video. If you see it, then I obviously did. I think it's not complicated. It just was for me because it had to go. It had to be fast. I had to make this video pretty fast, and so I'm not patient. And if I would do it like with more time and, you know, relax, then I think this is a good radio thing. In the end, after all this, I think I will approve this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more. Your Bo.
Schönen guten Abend, wir wollen nicht lange stören. Wir sind maybe dead und keiner will uns hören. Wo ihr schon mal hier seid, könnt ihr jetzt noch bleiben. Woanders ist hier auch nichts los, also könnt ihr auch hier leiden. We are maybe dead. Vergesst alles, was ihr je gehört habt.